Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab E10 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select multiple right away, tap on those type of dots at the top left corners. In order to exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on them. And to delete the rest, use this bin at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!